Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Today we will continue fractions. We'll see today how to arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order and how to compare them. So talking about the comparison of fractions can be done with the help of the denominators only. Means the denominators should be same. What is your rule number 1? When the fractions have same denominator, the fraction with larger numerator is larger. Example, see, same means like. All of them have here, these two have same denominators. These two have same denominators. So how are you going to compare them? Once the denominators are same, like 9 by 5 and 4 by 5. So the denominators are same here. Nothing will happen. You just have to compare the upper parts. Now among 9 and 4, which one is greater? 9 is greater. So fraction 9 by 5 is greater than 4 by 5. Okay. When fractions have same numerators, the fraction with larger denominator is smaller. When they have same numerators, look here, 3 by 7 and 3 by 5. Here numerators are same. So the fraction with larger denominator, when it has large denominator, it is smaller. Okay. If you try to understand it technically, this one talks about, let us say, a figure having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 part, and this has only total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part. So in 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is not required. This last line is not required. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. So it means out of 7, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded. Now here out of 5, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2 and 3 parts are shaded. So which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller? Obviously this one is the larger. That's what it is saying. Now the third case, when fractions have different denominator and different numerator, then what we are going to do? So numerators are also different and denominators are also different. We will find the LCM of the denominator. So 5 and 8 was the denominator, their LCM is 40. Then we will change them to equivalent fraction. 3 by 5, you have to change 5 to 40. So 5 8s are 40. So 3 8s are 24 by 40 is your new fraction. And for 7 by 8, 7 5s are 35 and 8 5s are 40. So then the new fractions are 35 by 40 and 24 by 40. So which one is greater? Obviously 35 is greater. But you will not write answer like this. You will add one more line. Since 35 by 40 was 3 by 5 and 24 by 40 was 7 by 8. So finally 3 by 5 is greater than 7 by 8 is your answer. Clear? You just have to find the LCM. So the find LCM, make like and compare. That's it. Once they are like, then only we add also with this method, we subtract also with this method, and we compare also with this method only. Okay. So here one example of arranging the fractions in ascending order. You can see 4 fractions are given: 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 5 by 6 and 1 by 15. And we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So what we are going to do first? First we are going to find the LCM of the denominator. So the denominators are 3, 5, 6 and 15. The LCM will be 30. So once you got the LCM, you have to change your old fractions to new fractions whose denominator is 30. So 1 by 3 will become 10 by 30, 2 by 5, 5 will become 12 by 30, 5 by 6 will become 25 by 30 and 1 by 15 will become 2 by 30. Now they all are like. Can you see they are like? Because all of them have the denominators with the 30 only. So then, which one is the smallest there? The smallest fraction here is your 2 by 30, then 10 by 30, then bigger than 10 is 12 by 30, and then 25 by 30. They are in ascending order. This is not your final answer. Final answer should be in the form of the question given. So 2 by 30 was actually what? Actually, your 2 by 30 was 1 by 15. That's why 1 by 15 is written here. Your 10 by 30, where is your 10 by 30 was 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is written here. Same way we have written the other parts also. So once they are like, you can arrange either in ascending order or descending order with the same method. Moving on to exercise now. So the questions, homeworks, classwork, everything is marked there. We will do only one question from the descending order, as ascending is explained just now. Sorry, we'll do from the ascending order only. Uh, Third part from question number 4. The fractions given are 4 by 5, 9 by 14, 16 by 35 and 6 by 10. What we will do first? First we will find the LCM. LCM of 5, 14, 35 and 10 is 70. So now what we will do? We will change our fractions to new fractions whose denominator should be 70. So 5 needs to be changed to 70. So 5 into 14 is 70. Same way you will multiply 14 with numerator. It will be 56 by 70. 9 by 14. So 14 into 5 is 70. So 9 into 5 will be 45 by 70. 35 into 2 is 70. So 16 into 2 will be 32 by 70. 10 into 7 is 70. So 6 into 7 will be 42 by 70. These are your new fractions. Now for your ascending order, which one is the smallest here? 32 by 70 is the smallest. Then comes 42 by 70, then 45 by 70 and 56 by 70. Now final answer will be 32 was 16 by 35 is the smallest. Then 6 by 10 is the second smallest. Then 45, 9 by 14 and finally 4 by 5. Clear? So this way only, with all the proper steps you have to do them. That was all for today, my dear students. Do the works on time. Take care of yourself. Study well. Thank you.